Mazia Shaifullah, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Okay, in the last class we started 3D, right? 3D geometry. I told you about octants, right? In 2D geometry, we had x-axis and a y-axis. So we had 4 quadrants. It divided the whole plane in 4 parts. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth quadrant, right? Here x is positive and y is positive. Here x is negative, y is positive. In here x is negative and y is negative. In here x is positive yet y is negative, right? So in first quadrant this, second quadrant this, and so on. Now in 3D, if you have 3 axes, so this 3 axes divide the whole space in 8 equal parts. All right, 8 equal parts. Suppose you have a cake. All right, slice it like this, then this, then this. You will have 8 pieces of cake. Each piece of the cake is 1 quadrant in 3D. Is that clear, everyone? How we have 8 parts, right? So how to name them? Which is the first quadrant, which is the second quadrant, which is the third quadrant? How to see? For that we have to draw a table. In here there is a pattern you need to look at, that is write down x, x dash, x dash, x, then x, x dash, x dash, x. All right, after that y, y, y dash, y dash, then y, y, y dash, and y dash. For z, 4 times z, 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 z dash, z dash, z dash, and z dash. All right, this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. In here all 3 are positive. In here x is negative, but y and z is positive. All right, in here x dash, that means x is negative, y dash, that means y is negative, but z is positive. All right, after that x is positive, y is negative, z is positive. Then positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, 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 and positive, negative, negative. All right, this is the table you need to remember, or need to remember how to draw. All right, if you just remember this pattern, x, x dash, x dash, x, x, x dash, x dash, x, then y, y, y dash, y dash, y, y, y dash, y dash. All right, after that z, 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 z dash, like that 4 times. So easy to draw table, and looking at this you can tell all the points that are in each quadrant, octant. All right, these are the 8 octants. Is it clear, everyone? Mazia, Albia? Shafullah?
Yes, it's clear.
All right. So this is one method. Another method, method 2. All right. See, you will get 1 mark or 2 mark question from this to state the octant, in which octant the point belongs. So for that, drawing the table is a bit lengthy, right? So method 2 is using the imagination. All right, I told you in the previous class also, look at the rightmost side of your room, and the bottom corner is the origin. All right. The line that is going upwards is y-axis. To your right is x-axis. To your front is z-axis. You are sitting here. All right. Now imagine a room that is in your front. All right. This side. That will be second quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. A room below the second quadrant will be third quadrant. A room below you will be fourth quadrant. Same for this side. Imagine a room on your right side. That will be fifth. This six. Below that 7. Below 5 is 8. Now you can calculate all the points very easily. Is this thing clear or not? Method 2. Shabulla.
Yes, it's clear.
All right. Mazia.
Yes, sir.
All right. Alvia. Okay. So let me give you a few questions. 5, 5, 5 minus 5, 5 and 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 5. You have to name each quadrant. Which quadrant does it belong in?
Sir, can you scroll up? I will write that coordinates.
The table.
Yes.
Please try to draw by yourself. If you cannot, then I can scroll up. All right, Hefullah, you remember the pattern, right?
Not much.
Not much. See, x, x dash, x dash, x. Then repeat this 4 times. All right. Then for y, 2 times y, 2 times y dash, 2 times y, 2 times y dash. Then 4 times z, 4 times z dash. That is all.
X is alternate.
No, not alternate. X is different. X, x dash, x, like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Try to draw. If you cannot, then I'll tell you again. Mazia, send me the answers in the chat. All right, Mazia, we'll look into that. Shafullah, have you drawn the table?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mazia, which method did you use? The table method or the room method? Table. All right.
Sir, can you show the table once? I will just check it.
Sure. Wait a minute. All right. Shafullah, for some reason it's not scrolling up. All right. Let me check your answers. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All right. 12784. All right. The answers are matching. So I hope this is correct. Yeah, this is the first quadrant. No doubts here. All right. Can you look at the thing I'm writing here or not? First
No, sir.
quadrant. No. All right. Wait a minute. The one note is hanging, I guess. Wait 1 minute. All right. Okay, Shafula. Now you can match the table. All right. You can look at the screen, right, Shafula?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Okay. So this is first quadrant, obviously. This is x is negative, y and z is both positive. So in the table, x is negative, y and z is positive. So second quadrant. In the third one, all three are negative. So all three negative, 7th quadrant. Then x is positive, rest are negative. X positive, rest are negative. This is 8th quadrant. Right? Only y negative. So 4th quadrant, right? So absolutely right, Mazia and Shefullah, correct answers. So you can draw the table and answer this question, right? No doubts here. Peer, why are you late? Peer, are you there? You're in the hospital. All right, everything okay, Peer? All right, all right. We all right. Peer, we studied the octants and how to name them. First octant, second octant, like that. This is the table you need to draw. All right. The pattern is here: x, x dash, x dash, x. Repeat the same. Then 2y alternatively. Y, y dash, y dash, y, y dash, y dash. Then 4 times z and 4 times z dash. Please draw this table soon. All right. So that we can move ahead. Draw this table, please. All right. Try to solve next question. All right. This is point P. This is origin. This A, B, and C. D, F. All right. The coordinates of P is A, comma B, comma C. All right. Write it here. A, comma B, comma C. The question is, in figure 1, if the coordinates of point P are A, B, C, then write the coordinates of the points A, B, C, D, E, and write the coordinates of the field of the perpendicular from the point P to the coordinate axis. Write the coordinates of the field of the perpendicular from the point P on the coordinate axis. Coordinate planes xy, yz, and zx. Find the perpendicular distances point P from the coordinate axis. All right, try to solve this question. Send the answers in the chat. All right, I'll give you a few minutes.
So what's the first point you wrote?
Let me scroll up. All right, the first point is write the coordinates of the points A, B, C, D, E, F. All right, you have to tell the coordinates of point A, B, C, D, E, F in the terms of this A, B, and C, right? We have given the coordinates
Yes,
of
sir.
P. Try to solve this.
So please show the diagram. Also, please scroll down.
All right, try to solve this question. This is very easy question. All right, you can solve this using 10th knowledge. If this was the point a comma b, then this distance would be b, this distance would be a, this coordinate will be a comma 0, this will be 0 comma b, and so on. The same way you can decide all the coordinates and everything, all the answers. All right, I'll give you a few minutes. Shafullah, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mazia, Peer, can you solve this? All right, I'll give you some time. Try to solve this. Shefullah, are you solving this?
Yes, sir. I finished.
Finished. Alright, send me the answers. And Mazia and Peer doing. Alright. Peer, what about you? Alright, I'll give you 2 more minutes. Then we'll discuss. Shafullah, you haven't sent me the answers in the chat.
I'm sending you, sir.
All right. Well, let's see how to solve this. In the diagram, see, to reach this point P, you have to move A units in x-axis, B unit in y-axis, and C unit in z-axis. Then you'll reach this point. All right. So to reach A, you have to move A units in x direction, and because A in x-axis, that means y coordinate and z coordinate will be 0. So coordinates of A will be A comma 0 comma 0. Right? Peer, Mazia, is it clear? All right. And so the coordinates of B will be, see, B is in z axis. That means x coordinate and y coordinate will be 0. And how much in z you have to move? C units. So this will be 0 comma 0 comma C. And for point C, you have to move in y axis, not x, not z. Then x is 0. And how much in y? B. And z is also 0. So 0 comma B comma 0. Now to reach E, you have to move in y and z. So x coordinate will be 0. Or look at it like this: YZ plane contains E, so x coordinate will be 0. And how much in Y? B units. How much in Z? C units. Same for F, it's in XY plane, so Z coordinate will be 0. How much in Y? You have to move B units. How much in X? A units. So this is all the coordinates of all the points. All right. Now the second part says, write the coordinates of the feet of the perpendiculars from the point P to the coordinate axis. Now the coordinate axis is this. So if you draw a perpendicular from P to A, this will be in A. If I join PA, then this will be perpendicular. Is it clear to everyone? How PA is perpendicular to x-axis? Mazia, Peer, is it clear? All right. All right, Shafullah, I got the answers. Okay. So in this part, second part, the answers are the coordinates of A, C, and B. Right? All the perpendiculars. In the third part, what are the coordinates of the feet of the perpendiculars from the point P on the coordinate planes? So in the coordinate planes, the coordinates are E, F, and D. Right? This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular to that plane. This is perpendicular to this plane. And in the fourth part, here this is A, B, and C. Here D, F. Find the perpendicular distances of the point P from the coordinate axis. All right. So you have to find the length PA. So PA will be this square plus this square, because this is also 90. This square plus this square. So this is C, this is B. So if you have to find the distance of the point P from x-axis, then square and add y coordinates and z coordinate square. This is distance from x-axis. You have to find y, then x square and z square under root. If you have to find z, then a square plus b square under root. All right. If you have to find this, then this is this square plus this square. This is a units, this is b units. Is it clear to everyone? Mazia, Peer, Shafullah?
So please explain second, third, and fourth.
Second, third, and fourth. All right. Let me redraw the diagram. This is very ugly diagram. All right. Let me just. One note is hanging today a lot. See, this is A, B, C. Now the second part says, tell the coordinates of the perpendicular from P on the coordinate axis. All right. Just look at the coordinates P and x-axis. All right. The perpendicular will go something like this, right? The line will be coming like this. This is straight line, and this will be 90 degree. Can you see how this is 90 degree? See, this is the axis, x-axis, and the line is coming like this in an inclined. Is it clear?
The perpendicular means it will go down, right? So the coordinate will be the D.
No, no. Which axis are you talking about?
And down
See,
one in
no,
ZX plane.
yeah. See, in the plane, yes, D, E, F are the coordinates, but in the axis, this will be the coordinates. See, if you have a line and a point, the perpendicular is this.
Yes.
So this is the point P, and this is x-axis. Forget everything else. So this will be perpendicular. Is it not?
Yes.
Is it clear, Shapullah?
But if we go down also, it will be perpendicular to XY plane,
Absolutely.
right?
Right. That is absolutely right. but that perpendicular is to the plane, xy plane. We have to find the perpendicular to the x-axis in the second part. So you have to look closely. All right, be careful in this type of question. In y-axis, this is the perpendicular. In z-axis, this is the perpendicular. So these are the coordinates in the second part, which is a, b and c.
Yes,
In
sir.
xy, right, in xy plane, this is the coordinates. Xz, this, yz, this, right, directly perpendicular. Clear, Shafullah?
Yes, sir.
And fourth part also clear? All right.
Yes.
Peer, Mazia, Alvia, absolutely clear? All right. Write down distance formula. In class 10th, we studied about distance formula. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Shafullah, what was distance formula? Class 10th.
So this is between 2 points in a plane. No, in a line.
Right. So if I have to find AB, what is the formula?
x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root.
And right, absolutely right. So this is the distance formula that we studied in class 10th. In 3D, nothing changes. If there is a point A, which is x1, y1 and z1, there is a point B, which is x2, y2 and z2. Then to find the distance AB will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square under root. Absolutely same, just add the quantity also, the z coordinates also. All right, the rest of the formula is absolutely same. Write down the formula. Done. Solve this question. Find the distance between the points P minus 2, 4, 1 and Q 1, 2, minus 5. Let's solve this question. I'll give it 2 minutes. Very easy question. Shafullah, absolutely right answer. Mazia Peer, what is the answer? Mazia, how are you getting minus 23 root? Please check again. All right, the calculation. Peer, what about you? Right, the answer is 7 units. How distance PQ will be 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 5 minus 1 whole square in the root. So this is 1 plus 3 square, that is 9, plus 2 square is 4, plus 6 square is 36. So 36 plus 4, 40, plus 9, 49 into it, 7 units. All right, next question. Find the coordinates of a point on y-axis which is at a distance of 5 root 2 from the point 3 minus 2 comma 5. All right, try to solve this one. I'll give you a few minutes. Have you solved this question, Shaifullah? All right. Mazia? And Peer, have you solved this? Or see how to solve this. Let's assume the point is 0 comma p comma 0. Why? Because the point is on y-axis, so x coordinate and z coordinate will be 0. The other point is 3 comma minus 2 comma 5, right? And the distance between them is 5 root 2. So let's use the distance formula. Distance will be this minus this, 0 minus 3 whole square plus b minus minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square under root. The distance is given as 5 root 2. This is equals to 3 square is 9 plus b plus 2 whole square plus 25. So this is under root. Square both sides, this is 50 and this is equals to b plus 2 whole square plus 36. So b plus 2 whole square is equals to 14. Sorry, this is 34. This is 16. So b plus 2 can either be 4 or minus 4. So b can be either 2 or b can be minus 6. So the coordinates are 0 comma 2 comma 0 or 0 comma minus 6 comma 0. Clear? Peer? Peer, is it clear? Mazia, Alvia, I hope it's clear.
So can you
Next
explain
question.
what you just did?
How did you solve this, Saifullah?
I used the long method doing everything.
Long method means you took the point as x comma y comma z.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then how did you solve?
Then I used the distance formula. Then I got a quadratic equation. I solved it and I got it. Got the answers.
Okay, okay. So in here you use the quadratic equation. That is
Mm.
another way. You can solve that way also. This is b square. Can you look at what I'm writing? No, I guess. Wait a
No.
minute. There is some glitch in OneNote, I guess, today. All right, in here, this step is your doubt, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what you did is b square plus 4b plus 4 is equal to 16. So b square plus 4b minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is 62. B square plus 6b minus 2b minus 12 is equal to 0. So b common, b plus 6 minus 2 common, b plus 6 equal to 0. So b plus 6 into b minus 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the one method to solve. Another method what I did is, see, if you have b plus 2 whole square is equal to 16, if I take under root both sides, So we'll have b plus 2 mod is equals to 4, right? See,
Yes.
b plus 2 whole square under root is equals to 16 under root. This will give us mod b plus 2 and this will give us 4. Now opening this mod, we'll have b plus 2 can be plus minus 4, right? Whenever mod x is equals to 2, that means x can be plus minus 2.
Yes, sir.
So b plus 2 can be either 4 or minus 4. So that is what I did. B plus 2 can be 4 or b plus 2 can be minus 4.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, you can solve this quadratic equation also. That is absolutely correct. No issues there. All right. Do you need time to write it down, Shapula?
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
All right.
Yes, sir, finished.
All right. Next question. Determine the point in xy plane which is equidistant from 3 points a is 2 comma 0 comma 3, b is 0 comma 3 comma 2, c is 0 comma 0 comma 1. All right. So the question is, there is a point called p and it is equidistant from 3 points a, b and c. All right. So pa is equals to pc is equals to pb and the point is on xy plane. Okay. So assume the coordinates of the point as x comma y comma 0, then try to solve this one. All right. I'll give you a few minutes. Shafullah, have you solved this?
1 minute, sir.
All right. Peer, Majia, have you solved it? Majia, I cannot hear you. No, Majia, you are not audible. You can tell on chat. Peer, what about you? No, all right. Shafullah, have you solved this?
I came into dead end, sir.
Dead end. All right. Let's see. So the point is in xy plane. So I assume the point as x comma y comma 0, right? So we know that PA should be equals to PB should be equals to PC. So let's solve this PA is equals to PB first. The coordinates of point P is x comma y comma 0 and A is 2 comma 0 comma 3. So PA will be x minus 2 comma x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square under root is equals to PB. x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square under root. This is p equals to pb. Also we can see pb equals to, or pa equals to pc, pb equals to pc. So pb is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 square plus 0 minus 2 whole square under root should be equals to pc, that is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 1 whole square under root. Solve these two and you will have the answer. Squaring both sides, I'll have x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 9 is equals to x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 plus 4. So this 9 and 9 is cancelled, this 4 and 4 is cancelled, x square y square is cancelled. So what do we have here? Minus 4x is equals to minus 6y. So x is equals to 3 upon 2 y. And from here, squaring both sides, we have x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 plus 4 is equals to x square plus y square plus 1. So again, x square y square is cancelled. Put the value of x in here, but there is no x. You can directly find the value of y. Minus 6y plus 13 is equals to 1. So minus 6y is equals to minus 12. So y is equals to 2. If y is equals to 2, then x is equals to 3. So the coordinate is 3, 2, 0. Is it clear? Shafullah, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mazia, Peer. All right. Next question. Show that the points A 0, 1, 2, B 2, minus 1, 3, and C 1, minus 3, 1 are vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle. This is very easy question. Try to solve it fast. Shakulla, have you solved this?
1 minute, sir.
All right. This is very easy question, right? You need to just find the length. And the answer will be there. Mazia, have you solved this? Mazia, you are not audible. I'm not able to hear what you are saying. So please use chat option. All right. 1 minute more to this question. All right. Let's see. So this is a triangle ABC. Let's figure out AB. This is 0 minus 2 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square under root. So this is 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 3. Right? Now AC, this is 1 square plus 4 square plus 2 minus 1 square. So this is 1 plus 16 plus 1, that is under root 18, and that is 3 root 2. Now what is left? BC, and BC will be 2 minus 1 square, that is 1 square, plus minus 1 plus 3, so 2 square, plus 3 minus 1, so 2 square. So this is also 3. Is it clear till now, Shabullah?
Yes, sir.
So now we can see that AB is 3, BC is 3. So if this is right angle triangle, then we can use Pythagoras theorem, and we know that 3 square plus 3 square and under root is under root 18, and this is equals to AC. So I can say that AB square plus BC square under root is AC, and this is Pythagoras theorem. So this is a right angle isosceles triangle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Mazia Alvia. All right then. And all of you, please complete the assignment that you will be getting today. All right, so that we can do the doubts tomorrow. And please don't miss the tomorrow's class. We'll finish this chapter. All right, see you in the next class. Take care.